time to clean the oven. Oh, what a mess. The first thing I did is take the racks out, and I put a scoop of Norwex Powdered Laundry Detergent in the water just to help break down and loosen up some of the grime. And we'll come back to this. And I have my supplies. Got the Norwex Cleaning Paste, and I have two different scrubbies because I'm not sure how bad this is going to be. But what I'm using is the non-scratching SpiriSponge, but it's super scrubby, so I wanted to have this. And then also a SpiriNette. Now this can scratch, but it's by far our most scrubby. So we're gonna get started. So this has been soaking for a little bit, and I'm just gonna open up my paste. And I think I'm gonna start with the SpiriSponge. I'm gonna get that nice and wet down here in the tub. And while it's wet, I'm just gonna rub it right in that cleaning paste and get a good amount on my sponge. And don't worry about getting the cleaning paste wet. It won't hurt it, it will dry. So I can already tell the water, I'll show you that. Just from letting it soak in the Norwex laundry detergent, I'll show you what we have here. So it's already breaking apart all of that grime. So this hopefully won't be too hard. Oh, it's coming off really good. That was a good plan of attack. All right, I'm just gonna show you up close. That's the one row that I did. So it's just taking the time to do this stuff though, right? And the last thing we want to do is use some of that toxic like oven cleaner, which can be really toxic to breathe in. This just makes it easy, eco-friendly, and I don't want to say fun, but easy. Okay, I finished the first one. So here's the first one. Look at the difference. So that's the one I just did. And now this is the one I'm going to do. And I'm going to do this one. I'm gonna do this one off camera and then I'll be back. So I've been working on this for a little while, and what I have discovered is I needed one more tool. Okay, so I have the Norwex utility brush. Now this is better than toothbrush because these bristles are really strong and much more abrasive than like a toothbrush. I actually tried a toothbrush because I couldn't find this and did not work. So the parts I'm referring to are like down in tiny sections here where the bar meets this bar. So there's lots of spilled food or something. So I'm just gonna continue working on this for a couple minutes. I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna get it wet, dip it in my cleaning paste. Will not hurt the cleaning paste to do that. And then just go to work on each section. Just finished with the racks. These look incredible. Like, why didn't I do this sooner? And that little brush worked extremely well at getting in the little hard to reach areas. So for this task, I just used cleaning paste. I didn't even use the SpiriNette actually. Cleaning paste, the utility brush, and that SpiriSponge down there, which is still gonna have some life in it. Okay, this little guy is doing good. It's preheated. I'm gonna turn the heat off. And now I'm going to spray the oven and grill cleaner on the inside. Oh, silly me. I just read the instructions of the oven and grill cleaner, which I probably should have read them first. And it says preheat the oven to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So I just turned the temp down. We're gonna wait a second and then I'm gonna come back in and we're gonna get to work. Okay, while we're waiting for the oven to cool down, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this. So oven and grill cleaner is an enzyme cleaner. It uses enzymes to break down burnt on, stuck on food. There's no harmful chemicals in it. It's not gonna burn our nose hairs. And it is not tested on animals. It's completely safe to use. It's biodegradable. There's no bleach, no SLS, SLES, like all the toxic stuff. It literally uses enzymes to do the work. Enzymes are found in nature and they're biological catalysts to break down organic matter. The enzymes in here are formulated to break down the types of organic matter that would get stuck in the oven, burnt on food, things like that, grease, all the good stuff, right? This is also safe for use on stainless steel, ceramic, and chrome. So you can use this on more than just your oven. You can use it on your outdoor grill. All right, I think we've probably cooled down by now. All right, so we're gonna come over, turn the oven off. We're gonna open that door and we're going to start spraying. We want to get all the surfaces that we're going to be cleaning. And if this steams a little bit, that's okay. You don't want it any hotter than 100 because it will actually kill the enzymes. And then we're not going to be able, let me back up a little bit, show you guys what's happening. So that steaming is okay. And these enzymes are designed to handle a temperature of 100 degrees. Let's see. Oh, we've got some mess on the sides. I don't know how I'm going to get down in there, but we're going to do our best. Okay, and I've probably sprayed enough, but I really wanted to saturate that surface. Now I'm gonna get the door. And guys, I'm gonna tell you a secret. My husband does not know this yet, but this line is inside this glass. You guys see that line? It's inside the glass. So I am going to try to talk my husband into taking this apart. Wish me luck. So I waited about 5 minutes, maybe 7, and now I've got my SpiriSponge, same one I used on the racks, a little bowl of water, and I'm gonna get to work. Honey, I told people who are watching the video, that I'm gonna try to convince you to fix something that's messed up. I might need your assistance. All right, we're looking good. Now I do want to get honey, can you bring me an EnviroCloth? We do want the EnviroCloth to wipe away some of this gunk as I loosen it up. Oh, ladies, I gotta show you how good this was. That is one swipe. One swipe. So that one's gonna take a little bit more, but I'm gonna keep working, but I just had to show you how easy that was coming up. Just hit me, I didn't take a before and after photo. Gotta take a before and after photo. All right, super easy. Get a little bit of cleaning paste. Help out with some of these areas that are just really, really burnt on there. I'm super impressed. So fast, so easy. Look at that, sparkle and shine. And what I ended up using for the glass door, the inside, is the SpiriNette and the cleaning paste. There were some really burnt on spots at the bottom that I needed that extra scrubby. So now I'm going to attempt, okay, see this door? I don't know if you can, there it is. It's inside the glass. So my husband has essentially disappeared. So I see that's an Allen wrench screw. So I'm gonna go try to find an Allen wrench and take this off so I can clean on the inside. Wish me husband. He's on the job. That. Clean oven. Okay, so I'm cleaning now in between all the parts. Totally clean, but before I close this up, there's a lip right here with a bunch of old burnt food. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my EnviroCloth with a knife and I'm going in there and using that EnviroCloth to clean that ledge. It's just a dirt trap. And I've gotten quite a bit out. So like, look at the floor here. That's all from the inside of that little crack. So we're all done. We have a beautiful clean oven. Now, why is it when you clean something, you see like 5 more things that you really need to clean? And I did all of that in a cream colored sweatshirt and didn't break a nail. Recap. We use the Oven Grill Cleaner, the Norwex Powdered Cleaning Paste, and I just leave the lid off of this for a little while and that will dry. I used the utility brush to get those hard to reach spots on the grates. SpiriSponge is non-scratching, and then the SpiriNette. So voila. She's a clean girl now, and I had to decorate her with my new spring tea towels, but check this baby. Oh, it's brand new. We're getting takeout tonight. See you later.